Sunlight floods Minnie's cozy home, illuminating dust motes that dance like tiny stars. Beneath the sofa, a shimmering, ancient book emits a soft, golden light, beckoning with untold secrets. Minnie cautiously approaches the glowing book, her tail twitching with a blend of excitement and trepidation. Minnie opens the ancient book, unaware of the magical surprise about to unfold. A kaleidoscope of butterflies bursts forth, filling the room with a vibrant, swirling vortex of color. Minnie gasps, her eyes wide with astonishment and delight as rainbows dance on the walls. Sunlight streams through the canopy, painting the enchanted forest in a vibrant, magical light. Minnie appears, lost but captivated by the surreal beauty around her. A squirrel approaches Minnie, delivering a crucial message. "If you save our fruit tree, we will help you return home."